Hello everybody and welcome! In this video, we are going to see how to set up a green screen along with its lighting, so you can take as many videos as you want for your university projects. Let's begin! When you open the bag, you will have the metal support frame and the chroma cloth. You will also have 19 plastic clips and black rods that you will use to spread and hang the fabric on the frame and maintain it up against the wall. This installation is not to be done alone, so make sure to have someone there to help you. First, choose the wall where you want to set up your green screen. Clear the floor so you can put your frame easily together. Next, begin assembling by fitting each piece of the frame into one another. Make sure to push the pieces firmly. Split the lower part of the frame so you have enough room to place it on the wall. Set the frame aside and get started on the chroma cloth. Unfold the chroma cloth so you can properly insert the rods. Crimp the opening on both sides and insert the rod. Repeat the operation around the edge of the chroma cloth. Slide the thin part of the clip onto the edges of the chroma cloth, which will be attached to the frame. Make sure to plan 5 clips per side. Now, attach the clips onto the support frame. The chroma cloth must be extended in order to avoid folds. If there are folds on the cloth, they will be visible when keying the picture. Position the frame on the wall so that you can locate where to attach the future clips on the ceiling. Attach your 4 remaining clips at regular intervals along the edge of the ceiling. Make sure to point the large parts of the clips downwards. Now, fix your frame to the clips that were set up. Your green screen is now ready. To set up a spotlight, you will need 2 wing screws, 2 washers, a yoke, a spotlight, a tripod, and a power cable. Start by placing the washers on the wing screws. Turn the spotlight upside down. Attach the bracket to the spotlight using the 2 wing screws. Remove the clamping screw so you can access the end of the tripod. You can now tighten your clamping screw to fix your bracket on the tripod. You can adjust the height of the spotlight by loosening the clamping rings of the extensible tripod. Your spotlight is now ready. To set up a softbox, you will need a reflective cloth, 4 rods, a front diffusion cloth with a hook, a front diffusion cloth with Velcro, and a mounting hoop. Now we can begin. To assemble the softbox, place the cloth down on a flat and smooth surface. Make sure to face the reflective surface upward and to pull on the Velcro on the center of the fabric to detach it. Close the Velcro at the corners of the cloth so that the rods do not escape while inserting them. Place the mounting hoop at the center of the reflective cloth. Make sure to align the holes marked by a circle with the corners of the cloth. Then, insert the rods. Make sure to apply enough force to get them in, and after inserting the first rod, move on to the next one, starting with the opposite diagonal. Place the mounting hoop at the level of the mounting bracket around the light source. Insert the 3 teeth into the dedicated notches and turn the hoop clockwise until you hear a click. You can now attach the small front diffusion cloth to the hooks located inside the reflective cloth. Then, attach the large diffusion cloth at the end of the reflective cloth. Place your lights and adjust the bulb's intensity properly to prevent areas that are too bright or too dark to appear on the green screen background. Your softbox is now installed and ready to light your green screen. Thanks for watching this tutorial and good luck on your projects!